Hey there, Zach. How's it going?
Hey Tamar, how are you? How's Seafood New Zealand?
You know what? Seafood New Zealand is a thriving and fantastic place. How's Moana New Zealand?
They're very supportive. They're so supportive that we could even be here today to do this.
Oh, amazing.
Check these out.
Isn't that a stunning sight?
We smoked these for about an hour and we're gonna pick all the little meat off the bones. And what are you gonna make with it?
We are going to make a smoked fish spaghetti.
So we're gonna get these fish ready for smoking now, Tamar?
Fantastic. Simple rub of salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar, and we want just slightly more salt than sugar because it's gonna help draw the moisture out of it. We're going to let it, we want it in the shade, but we want it in the warm because we want to let this actually sort of tacky up and the moisture sort of run off the fish.
Yeah, because we're drying it out. It's like,
yeah,
it's curing it. We want to draw out the moisture.
We're just going to put them outside for about an hour, or outside in the shade wherever you've got a space. Let it sort of dry out and marinate.
Great.
We've got some cherry smoke on these, a little bit unconventional for New Zealand, but beautiful. This is the bacon of the dish, eh?
This is the bacon of the dish. This is the protein, the yummy smoky flavour.
See this beautiful tacky meat here on these bones? Mm-hmm. And so, like, there's heaps of meat here.
Yeah.
There's so much meat, and that's why I left the wings on, is because all this meat down in here is just lovely. Look at that, and look at the fat in it. Yum.
That's the best bit of the fish though, isn't it? It's the oyster, that soft, like,
There you go, Tamar. That's all the meat off those.
That is stunning. I'd wonder if you'd do me a little favour and chop me up some shallots and garlic.
I'd love to.
Yeah?
Absolutely love to. How would you like the shallots cut?
Little thin half moons.
I tricked you.
What?
I'm gonna do it how I want.
So I'm just gonna put on our pan to get it a little bit warmer, a medium, just above medium heat. And while you do that, I'm going to get some cheese grated. So I've just got some Grana Padano here. Any nice hard flavoured cheese is good, and we're gonna put that on at the end.
All right, so we're just gonna bang the rest of these up here.
Yeah, lovely. Right, so I'm gonna pop a bit of olive oil in the pan.
Yes.
It is the first pressing, because why wait until everybody else has had their fun with the olives, you know, as they say.
It's the virgin.
It's the extra virgin. So I'm also putting a large knob of butter in that pan.
Yep.
Surprise, surprise, it's really unlike me. I'm also gonna take these off your hands now, if that's okay.
Yep, oh, please.
They're stinging my eyes.
Please do. And the garlic in?
And the garlic in, please.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, I liked that noise. We're gonna soften this down,
yep,
because then they get their more sweet flavour on and you don't have that acidic crunch. These are starting to, you know, get nice and soft, and the colour's changed now. So that is about ready, but we're not getting any brown or char on this. So I'm gonna chuck in quite a bit of this fish.
It goes a long way, you'll be surprised. Like
yep.
There's so much meat in the cheeks and down through the belly and the frame.
And I'm not worried about there being really big chunks in there, because by the time we keep stirring and adding the cream and the sauce, it will break down a bit.
Yep.
I'm just gonna add a glug of wine. Oh, the smell on that now.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna go in with a whole bunch of cracked pepper. Do you have half a lemon there?
I do have half a lemon here. Would you like a lemon cheek?
I would love a lemon cheek, thank you.
Would you like me to give that a quick squeeze in there, or you're onto it?
Squeeze the cheeks. I'm gonna whack in with some cream. All right, a lovely generous amount of cream. We cooked this pasta earlier.
And so is this, we're al dente, this is not mushy.
Nope.
Because it's gonna warm up again in there. I can't tell you how excited I am for this.
Tell me.
I'm probably the most excited that I have been since the other things we cooked.
Well, I think we actually want to add a little bit of water to this, just to thin it down and get that sauce going. All right, so we serve this up.
Oh my God.
There we go, we've covered it in cheese. parsley, more CP, fresh lemon on the top, because you know what, the fish is just gonna love it. There we go. That looks a bit nice.
It looks delicious. Go.
Oh my gosh. That's great. That is
How does it get better every time?
It's so creamy, but it's delightfully fresh. Yum. We love it.
Hey,
You'll love it.